Maganda yung party muna tayo guys habang hinihintay ng mga tao. Party lang. What's up guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. Ang dami nyo na. Grabe. Maraming salamat sa 1,000 viewers. I love you guys so much. Let's just anong song gusto ko habang naghihintay lang tayo? Grabe. Wow! Thank you so much for all the likes. 30,000 likes. You guys are crazy. Can't believe this. 5,000 viewers? Bro, relax. Masira na naman TikTok. Yeah. Grabe naman kayo. Ooh. Grabe naman. Grabe kayo. Maraming salamat sa 5. Sobrang saya. Wait lang. Bakit hindi nagpa-play yung music ko? Okay lang ba mag-music dito? Or ano ba yung rules dito sa life? Rules dito sa life. Rules dito sa life. Ikaw ah. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to live today. Let's get it started. I'm just so happy to be able to talk to some of you guys. Thanks again for, sticking around, making, dreams come true. No sounds? Ba't walang sound? Hindi ko alam. Paano ba to? Okay na? Paano yun? Bakit? Hindi ko alam. Wait lang. Music lang tayo saglit. Para nang relax lang tayo. What do I wanna play though? Let's play this. Can you guys hear the music? But in any case, today, I just wanted to answer your random questions on Twitter. I have some questions here from Twitter. Wala akong Twitter, pero nakakuha ko ng questions from someone. Secret na lang. Kung umabot tayo ng 100 million viewers, sasabihin ko yung secret na yun. Pero since that's impossible, hindi nyo malalaman. Joke lang. But okay, let's start with the first question that I see right now, and it's, as a Swiftie, which Taylor Swift song has been stuck in your head lately? Syempre, hindi talaga mawawala ang Invisible String. It's my favorite song. I don't know why that's my favorite song, but I just really like it a lot. Sobrang trip ko yung Invisible String. That's what I've been listening to a lot. Kayo ba? Ano ba yung favorite album niyo? Yeah. So, next question. If you could create a fandom name aside from Emilions, what would it be? Nako, sobrang hirap na tanong yan, guys. Pang Miss Universe. Actually, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Sobrang hirap talaga pumili ng fandom names. Kung honestly, baka pwede tayong mag-poll. Like, whatever, like, what do you guys want to be? What should we call? What should we call? Yeah, di ko alam eh. Emilions is good if we reach 1 million. But I know that's also kind of impossible kasi syempre mahirap yun. But I'm grateful na, you know, I have more than 10 fans now. I love you guys so much. All of you guys have been so amazing. Thank you so much for all of your support. I see most of your comments and I love you guys so much and I appreciate it so much. It really means the world to me. Katulad na sinabi ko, madami tayong pasabog. Like tonight, lumabas ang Love at First Spike na trailer. Let me know how you liked it. Kamusta ba? Okay ba? Sana subaybayan nyo yan. Kasi kung nagustuhan nyo yan, mas gugustuhin nyo pa. Mas gugustuhin nyo pa talaga. Medyo ibang side yung makita nyo sa akin. And I'm excited to share that with you guys. Super. Thanks to, you know, all 3,600 of you guys. This is crazy. Thank you so much. Okay. Next question. Sino kasama ko? Si Kali. Manager ko, yung gwapo. Tapos magaling mag-content. Oo. Siya yung kasama ko. So, wala na namang audio? May audio ba? May audio naman. Okay. Nice. Thank you. What color reminds you of your supporters? I think blue, kasi my favorite color is blue and you guys are my favorite people, all of you. So, maraming salamat sa support ulit. Blue is my favorite color and that's what reminds me of you guys. Okay, ito. Now that you have, next question. Now that you have more than 10 fans, are you planning a fan meet soon? Gusto niyo ba mag-meet? I mean, I would love to meet all of you if it's possible. Sana magkita tayo. I mean, if you guys want to make a fan meet, let's do it. I have no idea how this works. Kung paano ba nangyayari. Like, magkita lang ba tayo sa fast food restaurant or something? I have no idea. Luneta? Ganun ba yun? Kita na tayo dun? I don't know. Hindi pa naman ngayon. Siyempre, planuin natin. Hindi ko alam. Oo. Here, another question. So, I guess we'll plan a fan meet soon if you guys want. We'd love to meet all of you. So, yeah, let's definitely do something. Sobrang game ako dyan. Next question is, what keeps you grounded now that more people recognize you? Wow. Amazing question. Thank you for that. Ren, W-R-E-N, from Twitter. Honestly, syempre sobrang saya ko na nakita ko kayo. I mean, people that I've seen, people that I've met na supporters daw. It really warms my heart. Nagugulat pa rin ako na may gustong nagpapapicture sa akin. And I really try and make an effort to, take a picture with everyone that wants a picture. You can always ask me for a picture. If I see you guys, thank you for always, wanting to take pictures. But I guess what keeps me grounded is that, sabi ko nga before, kayo talaga yung motivation ko na nagalingan yung trabaho ko. Kasi yun din yung isa sa mga rason na bakit ako pumasok sa industriya, para maging positive effect. Like, I love seeing people smile. I love seeing you guys. And yeah, that's it. You guys are my motivation and I love you so much. Grabe naman! 800,000 likes, thank you so much. Ayun na naman kayo nagsasend na naman kayo ng mag-ipon naman kayo, guys. You guys don't have to send, we can just watch, we can just hang out and talk to each other, but thank you so much. Nagsasaing pa po ba kayo? Sa totoo lang, wala akong rice cooker sa bahay ko. If that's a secret. Mahilig lang talaga ako marunong lang talaga ako magsaing. Pero wala akong rice cooker sa bahay ko. Kasi syempre, I live alone. And parang, kapag may rice cooker pa ako, parang ang lungkot na hindi ko maubos. So, yeah, I have no sound. Bakit walang sound? Sorry guys kung walang sound. But, yeah, meron na ulit. Yun. So, sadyang marunong lang talaga ako magsaing. How am I today? Masaya. Kaka-work ko lang today. I had some work, secret work in the making. Just ended work literally 10 minutes ago. So I'm very, very happy na it was a good work day. Started very early. I'm excited. I'm happy to be back at work. Namimiss ko talaga yung work sobra. And I'm just so grateful na meron work. Kasi syempre, malaking blessing talaga na may work. Uy, grabe naman kayo. Ang dami namang likes. Silaksan kayo sa likes. Baka masabog yung Twitter. Almost 1 million likes. That's crazy, bro. Bro, it's crazy, bro. Nakita ko yung edit na binibilang yung mga bro ko. Do we really say bro that much? Apparently, yes. Grabe. Where did I get my shirt? This was actually a gift. So, gift from one of my best friends. His name's Josh. He gave me this shirt. I love you, Josh. You know who you are. It's one of my childhood best friends. I mean, we've known each other since high school, and he gave me this shirt out of his kindness. Yeah. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Grabe, 1 million na sa likes. Maraming salamat, guys. I don't know bakit. Sobrang daming likes. Maraming salamat. Sana kumain na kayo. Ako hindi pa kumakain. Ano ba? Mag-order ba? Ano? Gusto niyo mag-mukbang? Mag-order tayo ng pagkain? What should I order? What should I eat? Shout out sa inyong lahat. Ang bilis ng... Ba't ang bilis ng chat? Ganun ba yun? Bakit sobrang bilis ng chat? Parang pag gusto kong mag-shout out, nawala na yung mag-shout out. So, paano yun? But, regardless, maraming salamat. Ang daming tao. Oo nga madaming ang tao eh. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa 3,700 viewers. Grabe kayo. Sobrang bait nyo. Sana kumakain kayong lahat. Kain tayo. What should I eat? Chicken wings? Wala ba yung signal ko? Jollibee, Burger King, Mukbang, Jollibee. Pwede ba sabihin? Wag. Wait. Nagagalit na yung mga kasama dito, guys. Nasustress na siya sa akin. Somebody get me. Somebody call the police. It's crazy. Joke lang. Kasama ko si Kali, manager ko. Sobrang gwapo. Sobrang galing mag-content, guys. I'm sure may mga fans dito sa kanya na YouTuber. Oo. Yeah. Where's Michael? Should I call him? I don't know where he is, actually. I haven't spoken to my duo. I miss my duo. I miss him. Let's call him later. Baka kumakain pa. Antayin natin siya. Okay, back to the questions. So, 7th question from Twitter. Do you agree with fans saying you resemble Mingyu from 17? Grabe, guys. Sobrang dami kong nakikitang Mingyu na comments. Minsan may nakikita akong nagagalit na parang hindi ko daw kumukha si Mingyu. Sabi ko, sorry na, hindi naman ako nagsasabi na kumukha ko si Mingyu. So, I'm very honored, syempre, sa mga comments na nagsasabi na kamukha ko si Mingyu. Syempre, na-search ko yung si Mingyu and he's very sobrang sikat niyang tao. So, syempre, it's an honor talaga na kamukha, may nagsasabi na kamukha ko siya. Personally, I have no idea. Hindi ko alam. I can't tell na kung kamukha ko yung isang tao. Sa totoo lang, medyo mahina ako sa ganyan. Pero, kasi pag nakita ko lang sa mirror, parang, oh, ako to, si Emilio. Parang, hindi ko alam. Pero, syempre, I'm very honored na nagsasabi nila na, na kamukha ko si Mingyu. Kasi, syempre, sobrang sikat niya. And, like, he's an amazing icon in the K-pop industry. So, thank you. Sana hindi siya ma-offend na may nagsasabi na kamukha ko siya. Sana. Yun. What's a fun or funny trivia about your PBB experience? I guess a fun trivia is fun trivia ampalaya. I mean, hindi ko talaga gusto yung ampalaya dati, pero dahil sa bahay ni Kuya, ginusto ko yung ampalaya. Dahil kay Ate Klang, kasi sobrang sarap niya magluto. So, yeah, I mean, medyo totoo yung video na nagkakalat na kumakain ako ng ampalaya, tapos medyo hindi ko na-enjoy. Pero I mean, na-enjoy ko naman, pero parang siguro nagugulat lang yung taste buds ko na, wow, kumakain ka na ng ampalaya. Never mo nagawa yan dati. So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa 1.3 million likes. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, guys. Ayun. Sobrang sarap ng tulog ko sa bahay ni Kuya. Grabe. I think nakakatulong na walang cellphone, walang distraction. So, pag oras na ng pagtulog, ang bilis ko talaga matulog. Promise. Tanong niyo pa lahat ng mga boys sa bahay ni Kuya. Ang bilis ko talaga matulog. Legit. As in like, pag lights out, talagang lights out na talaga ako. So, ayun. Do I always meditate? Sinusubukan ko talaga sa umaga na mag-meditate. Ginagawa ko siya bago mag-start yung araw ko kasi I feel like it helps me focus on the day ahead. It helps me, think about what I need to do, what I need to accomplish. And it's very simple. I do it just for 5 minutes, sometimes less. It's the first thing that I try to do when I wake up. And syempre sinimulan ko sa bahay ni Kuya, but I was already doing it before that. My brother, Nick, siya yung nagturo sa akin na mag-meditate kasi he's very into yoga and meditation. So, siya talaga yung nagturo sa akin. So, thank you to Nick. I love you. It's my brother. You can check him out, Nick Diaz. Dami niyang mga videos, inspirational, if you need some help on meditation. Yeah. So, yun. Another fun trivia is, I don't know kung nakita niyo to sa live stream, pero may time na kami ni Michael, parang naglalaro kami ng isang game. It's called Mr. White. And, it's called na parang 3, 2, 1, tas kailangan namin magsasabi ng word. And kung magtama kami, then panalo kami. And I don't know if there's a clip, but parang kami ni Michael, nagwala talaga kami when we both said chicken. Like, I forget what the words were, but we both said chicken and sobrang nag-wild lang kami. Ayun, that was crazy. Sobrang in sync talaga kami mag-duo. It's kind of crazy. I don't know how we do that, pero we're super in sync. Yeah. Last question from Twitter is, how was your 5-minute Lego strategy inside the house, guys? Pinaktis ko to. Sobrang handa ako sa 5-minute strategy. Kasi, yan yung isa sa mga sinabi ni Megan sa akin. Kasi syempre, alam niyo naman, Megan was a housemate before. And she told me na kailangan ko mag-practice. And she told me to practice talaga na maligo. And that's what I did. So, ayun, tinatayin ko yung sarili ko sa banyo. I would shower. And wala, I don't know what the strategy is. Just, like wash my hair, wash my whole body with soap. Yun, nasasakto naman sa 5 minutes. Actually, magugulat naman kayo guys kung papresahin nyo na 5 minutes yung shower nyo, kaya namang gawin. And it'll still smell good. Promise. bakit 5 minutes ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Parang yun yung nasa rules kasi ni Kuya na 5 minutes per housemate. And syempre, kailangan mo maging considerate sa lahat ng mga housemates na 5 minutes lang. Kasi kung mag-over ka ng 5 minutes, meaning doon, kinakain mo yung time ng iba mong housemates. And may chance na hindi sila makakaligo. So, respeto lang ba para sa ibang housemates na gawin yung 5 minutes? Syempre, wala naman timer sa bahay ni Kuya. So, kailangan maging mulat ka lang. I mean, mindful na 5 minutes lang talaga yung shower mo. Yun. Oh, ganda ng trailer ng last talaga. Maraming salamat guys. Sobrang saya ko nung nakita yung trailer kasi nakita ko yung lahat ng hard work ng cast ni Direk Ivan Payawal. Grabe talaga the dedication of Rain Parani, Sean Tristan, River Joseph, Dylan Iturralde, Rain Salmar, Andy Abaya, Bong Gonzalez, Lance Reblando, Jude Hinumdum. Am I forgetting anyone? I love everyone in this cast. Grabe talaga yung hirap na linalagay namin. Grabe yung mga volleyball training na ginagawa namin. Like, as you can see na may basketball, may volleyball. So, yeah, I'm just super excited for you guys to see it. I can't wait for it. June. Sa June, lalabas. Siyempre, di ko pwede pa sabihin kung kailan kasi honestly, di ko pa rin sure kung kailan sa June. Pero June lalabas. Abangan nyo. For sure, marami pa kaming pasabog. Thank you guys again for 1.6 million likes. We might break TikTok, guys. Kidding. But thank you for 3,000 viewers. Can't believe it. Millie, best duo. Yes, Millie is the best duo. Try ko invite si Michael. Try ko talaga siya invite. Kasi kumakain siya. But yeah, thanks also for asking on Twitter. I think Kali's actually helped me out with the question, so thank you to Kali and Trish. Trish is my other manager. And of course, lahat ng mga admins ng mga fandoms. Maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Yeah. So let's talk about the PBB journey. So, sino ang closest housemates inside the PBB house besides Michael and River? Definitely si Will Ashley. Sobrang he's a great guy. Ang dami, namimiss ko yung mga joke namin kasama ni na Michael. And of course, like he's an amazing guy talaga. So funny. Like kung bigyan kayo ng opportunity na mag-live-in with Will Ashley, take it. Kasi he's so funny. Medyo matakaw lang, pero okay lang. At least masarap kain nyo. No, but yeah, Will, I miss Will. I wish him the best talaga. Of course, Ralph, my saing king, fellow saing king. Sana hindi pa siya napapagod magsaing. Gusto ko siya tulungan, but hindi pwede. Sadly. Yeah. What was the most challenging moment in your PBB journey and how did you overcome it? Siguro yung pinaka-challenging part talaga is nung nag-weekly task leader ako. And then binigyan talaga ako ng chance ni Kuya na parang kukunin ba namin yung 50% or isusugal ba namin yung na ituloy yung task. Kahit na sobrang hirap and di namin alam kung gaano katagal yung oras na bibigay sa amin ni Kuya. Kasi si Kuya is he's very mysterious in the way that he says things. Like, bawat salita niya talagang may pinanggagalingan and it's very sometimes it's very, I guess, what's the word? Mysterious, I think. I mean, kasi di ka sure eh. So, sa time na kasi na yun, I mean, kung hindi nyo nalaman yung thought process ko. Yung thought process ko kasi doon is, first time namin makakuha ng hudyat ni Kuya na may 50% na budget. And sobrang laking bagay ng 50% na budget kasi 4,000 pesos yun. And sobrang dami na naming mabibiling ulam with 4,000 pesos, believe it or not. Siyempre, maulit-ulit yung ulam namin, pero at least may ulam, di ba? Compared sa wala. So, kaya mas nangibabaw sa akin yung option na yun. Kasi, at that time, syempre nominated ako. Di ko alam kung yan na yung last week ko sa bahay. So, as task leader, gusto ko na may maiwan ako sa housemates. So, ayun. I think that was one of my most challenging moments, like picking between those two. Thankfully, yung mga housemates, nagtiwala sila sa akin as a leader and si Vince, na kung gusto namin isugal along with the nominated duos, they gave us that trust. And masaya ako na naibilit ko yung tiwala na binigay nila sa amin by winning the task and getting 100%. So, that was the most challenging and most rewarding moment in PBB. So, syempre, nakatulong talaga sa decision na yun si Vince. I mean, we were both co-task leaders. So, props to him as well. Yeah. Aside from not saying proper goodbyes, do you have any regrets from your PBB experience? Wala talaga akong regrets, guys. Katulad ng sinabi ko ni kay Kuya, I gave it my best every single week that I was there. For the 28 days that I was there, I gave it my best every single day. I made sure to make the most out of it. Sobrang saya ko na binigyan ako ng opportunity na makapasok sa bahay and really live with them. I'm confident and happy with the connections that I made with each housemates. I can't wait na lumabas kami lahat ulit, and I can't wait to see all of them. Siyempre, medyo nang hinaya ko na nakita ko yung next house guest, si Donnie, and yung basketball task. I think Donnie and I would have gotten along swimmingly along with Michael, and I think I would have been a big help dun sa basketball task kasi syempre basketball is my number one sport. I played basketball for Ateneo since I was in grade school. So tingin ko makakatulong talaga ako. And si Donnie, syempre, I mean, who doesn't know Donnie Pangilinan, diba? We have some common friends. I've known Donnie for a while. Syempre, nagkakakita kami sa ASAP. Dati, I Want ASAP host din siya nung ASAP Chill Outs pa. So, ayun, I mean, I think me, Donnie, and Michael would have gotten along swimmingly. Sobrang may enjoy namin yung experience yun. I wish we got that experience. Pero, okay lang. I mean, there's more time. I'm sure I'm gonna see Donnie around ABS and for sure magplano kami ng something kung hindi siya busy. Yeah. Yeah, so excited. Parang nagugutom ako, guys. Sorry Parang bigla ako natatamaan ng gutom. Anong pwede akong i-order? Pwede ko i-order? Should I order? Kain na ako. Oo nga, maraming salamat sa lahat. Should I eat? Yeah, I just wanna take this time while I'm thinking about what to eat. Maraming salamat sa Emilio Buddies, One for Emilio Diaz Squad, Bros of Emilio Diaz Media. Grabe, ang dami palang fandoms. Thank you so much. Ang dami nyo. Grabe. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. I see a lot of your edits on TikTok. I really love it. Sobrang saya ko pag nakita ko ng edits. Please continue editing. I love seeing all of them. I love you guys so much. Ayun. Kamusta pala yung bagong haircut ko, guys? I mean, this is Uno's haircut actually. This is the Uno haircut. I hope you guys like it. Yeah. Salamat. Yeah. Here, last question about PBB journey. Have you ever wondered how your life would have turned out if you hadn't joined PBB? honestly, hindi ko maisip kasi sobrang life-changing talaga ng PBB para sa akin. Ang dami kong nalalaman about myself. Ang dami kong natutunan from my fellow housemates. Ang dami ko ng bagong kaibigan dito sa industriya. And of course, ang dami kong bagong supporters because of PBB. You know, I mean, thank you to PBB for allowing me to be there and to show you guys who I am. And maraming salamat na madaming sumusuporta because of my experience there sa PBB. It's very humbling talaga. Like, I can't say anything more or less, but I'm just truly grateful and thank you talaga. Yes. What haircut po yan? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam tawag dito. Uno haircut lang yung uno haircut eh. Kasi honestly, like, pag nagpapa-haircut ako, parang nagpapakita lang ng picture. And ayun, so I guess if you want this haircut, pakita nyo lang yung picture na to. If you guys want it, ito. Oh, picture nyo lang. Magsa-side view ako. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Dito side ko. 1, 2, 3. Oh, left side. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kaya na yan. Yes. Parang yun na lang yung sabihin nyo, diba? Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito eh. So, ayun. Yeah. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung I Want ASAP. I really enjoy hosting there on I Want ASAP. It's a blessing. I love hosting as well. Patingin ng bracelet niya po. Sure. Here. This is one of them. So, it's a bracelet. Then I have another one here. It's a skull. I got this in Korea. I got this here sa isang bazaar. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Yeah. So, when released, I love it first forced. Nabubulol na ako, guys. Gutom na talaga ata ako. Love at First Bite will be releasing in June. It's directed by Ivan Bayawal. You guys should watch it kasi it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be great. Pag nag-edit ako, papansin mo ba ako? Oo naman. Of course. I try to comment on every edit that I see. Pasensya na kung hindi ko na comment lahat. But thank you so much for 2 million views. 2 million views to like. Thanks guys. This is crazy. I can't believe, like, really super grateful lang talaga for all of your support. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much talaga. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I promise you that, you know, I will continue to make content hopefully that you guys like. Gagawin ko yung best ko, syempre sa pagka-arte, sa pag-host. So, sana you guys keep on smiling and supporting kasi you guys are my motivation to be better. I love you guys so much. Do I have an X account? I do not have an X account. Kali and Trish have X accounts, so they're the ones who tell me na may mga questions from Twitter. I'm sorry. Should I make an X account? Medyo nahihirapan na ako sa TikTok and Instagram tsaka Facebook eh. X pa. Baka sumabog na yung utak ko. Joke. But yeah, where's my duo pare? Let me try and call my duo kasi let me try and call him. Let's see if I can call my duo pare. Yeah. And the fandoms are the one who collected all the questions pala din also. So once again, Emilio buddies, one for Emilio Diaz Squad, Bros of Emilio Diaz, and Emilio Diaz Media. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. Let's call my duo pare. Ito lang. I don't know how I'm gonna call my duo pare kasi I'm on live with you guys. How do I call my duo pare? I don't know how. Diba? Bro, diba? Paano ko naman tatawag? It's okay lang ba? Like, if I pause the live? Siyempre hindi. But, yeah. yes, magpa-fan meet tayo kung gusto nyo. Magplano tayo. So, ayun. I'm gonna wrap up my live soon, guys, kasi sobrang nagugutom ako. I'll make a separate live again for a mukbang live na kakain talaga ako. Aayusin ko yun. I don't know when. When's the right time ba to do live? Kailan ba kayo free? Message nyo ako pag free kayo. Tapos adjust ako sa schedule nyo. So, ayun. Thank you so much for all of your support. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the 2 million likes, 2.1 million likes, and 2.9 thousand viewers. I can't believe it. Wala kaming calendar or clock sa loob ng bahay, so wala talaga kaming sense of time at all. That's something na, syempre, nakaka-overthink dun sa bahay kasi di mo alam kung anong oras talaga. But, yeah. Thank you guys also for all of your support on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. I don't know how you guys might break Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook by following me. Like, you guys gotta relax. Parang sobrang lala. Pero thank you. Thank you so much talaga. Very excited to share with you guys what's gonna happen. But yeah. I'm gonna go. Tinatawagan ako ng mommy ko. She wants to have dinner. And I haven't seen her. I mean, I've seen her like twice, so sobrang busy kasi. I mean, nakita niyo naman yung, if you haven't seen my Instagram or TikTok reel of like what I did last week, check it out. That's what I've been up to. And non-stop talaga, but it's been a blessing. I'm so happy talaga. I'm so grateful for all the work that's been coming in and all the guestings. Syempre with my duo, continue to support kasi marami pa akong pasabog. Thank you sa lahat na nanonood ng Love at First Spike na trailer. It's gonna be crazy. I'm so excited for you guys to watch it. Watch out for more content from me, Michael, everyone on Laughs. Alam niyo na yun. With my brothers, my sisters, my friends, my family. Lahat talaga sasabog ko. And you guys will see it. So, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys soon. I love you all. Bye.